Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to unblock someone on Instagram. Why would you want to know how to unblock someone on Instagram? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to unblock someone on Instagram. So today I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Blocking someone on Instagram is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will unblock someone on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram app in your device and then click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner. And now in this screen, click on three lines in the top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. And now scroll down this page and click on blocked. Now here is my blocked account. Now just tap on the unblock and then again tap on unblock and your Instagram account has been unblocked. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unblock someone on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.